Battery low. I want to see what those birds on the wire are going to do. So it's drifting. We're 60 feet and it's not rock solid anymore. It's drifting. It probably needs some recalibration. So I'm going to fly over towards the birds, see what they do. They're getting apprehensive now. They're saying, oh, it's one of us. It's not a threat. We've never seen that before. They don't seem too shocked by it. But what if I were to come down to their level? What would they think? So far, it looks like the quadricopter's doing well. Wow, they're wondering what's going on. There they go. There they go. That's where they like to be. All right, that was speed mode. Now here's their next port of call. They're off. They went off to the buildings down the block. Well, I'm not going to go there because the bird, I don't trust it anymore. So I'm going to hightail it back here. Right to me in that car right there. Ready? Wow, it's there already. Stop hiding behind that pole. Come home. Okay, come home, baby. Come home. Left is right, right is left. Come home. Come home. Come home. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wow, quite the odyssey. Returning home in error. Now it's coming down by itself. Wow, I almost lost it. And it is going home almost exactly to the spot, which is really great. Really great, almost exactly to the spot. That's the spot right there. Oh man, good job. Right on the spot. That gives me hope again. Okay, we're taking off. It's January 19th here in Roosevelt Commons. We're going to go explore the lake. It's still very cold out, but before I do the lake, let's do some zoom effects. First we go into quick shot.